Do you think pro traders use just one EA and banks and huge financial institutions use just one algorithm? No, they don't. You also shouldn't deposit all of your money with one broker. You shouldn't risk it all like that. So today I will share how I would do it if I were to start over now and I had $10,000 to invest in algo trading. Please note that all information in this video is provided for informational and educational purposes only. None of the EAs or platforms mentioned should be considered financial advice. So let's say I have $10,000 to invest. I chose this amount for the video to keep the calculation simple. However, it's a personal decision. I've invested much more, but that was my own choice and risk. First, I would not put it all into one account with one trading robot. I would diversify between different bots and different platforms. And on our website, you can see all of the accounts we have. But if I had 10K to start with, I would put $2,000 in 2 live accounts. So I would put 20% of the 10K in live accounts. And on the table, you can see all of the accounts that we have with initial balance of $1,000. And all are trading different expert advisors. You can see the overall gain or the profit in the last 30 days. And you can pick any of these expert advisors based on the performance. They are the track records. For example, the Forex Gold Investor performed really well in the last 1 year in my live account. Actually, the history here is 183 days. It was a $500 account and then I increased it to 1,000 initial balance, and you can notice that the total return is nearly 200%. It's been up and down recently, but overall it is a profitable strategy and it's trading 100% the gold. If you want to trade currency pairs, you can have a look at the Infinity Trader EA, at the Powerhouse Expert Advisor, the Happy Algorithm Pro, which we recently reviewed, and it uses currency correlation as a strategy. And there are plenty of robots trading currencies below. But before you invest in live accounts, make sure you select a trusted and regulated broker. And so far, we've been using Black Bull and Eightcap a lot. But especially with Eightcap, you can notice that we have plenty of live accounts. And this is because they have very good trading conditions. If I show you the most popular, you will see that for the euro dollar, the spread start from 0, and with the gold start from 1.2. They offer TradingView and MetaTrader 5, and they are fully regulated broker, which is the most important when you deposit your own money with a CFD trading broker. And if I show the live account with Forex Gold Investor, where I have a balance of $2,310, you will notice that the spread is really low-ended. Look at the difference between the bid and the ask price. The next 10% I would put in an instant funding trading account, or these are platforms where we purchase the account, they give us some capital, we trade, and we split the profit with the company. Now I have plenty of funded accounts, and you will notice that we have DarwinX accounts, we have iFunds accounts, and we have trading.com accounts. Basically, these are the 3 companies that we use. So in addition to the 2 live accounts, I would open 1 iFunds account, 1 DarwinX account, and 1 trading.com account. With iFunds, I'm looking for very steady performance, so I'm trading those expert advisors that make 2 to 3% a month. For example, the Sharpshooter is a steady performer, and I've bought a more expensive 50K account, which costs $3,000, but actually for $700 you can grab a $10,000 account. And I have the Powerhouse EA, the Happy Algorithm, Sharpshooter, Waka Waka performing really steadily, and I've requested withdrawals a few times. The benefit of using a live account or iFunds account is that at any moment you can request a withdrawal. If you need the money, you can withdraw them. Especially with live accounts, you have full control of your capital. Even the money you deposited, let's say $1,000, $2,000, you can request a withdrawal and take your money out if you need, but of course only with the regulated brokers. With trading.com it's a little bit different, because once we purchase the 10K account we need to reach 20% to scale up, and you'll notice that I have plenty of new accounts I started. The Market Master performs really well with 2.6% a month. You can notice that the Forex Trend Hunter almost reached 2% in the last 30 days, and of course the Happy Gold, which has been profitable in many of my accounts. It actually made nearly 6% in this account, but once I reach 20% I can withdraw 80% profit split, and then I scale. And I've scaled a few times one account with the Forex Gold Investor, and currently I'm on stage 4. Here you will see all of the stages. So once I reached 20% they double the account for me. I requested profit, then I requested a payout, then again and again, and now the account is going up and down. But that's why I decided to make all of our accounts public, guys, so whenever you're watching the video you can check how any of the robots is doing. And with the Darwin X we have a subscription based model, so here I have a very stable performance again from the Sharpshooter and the Vigorous Expert Advisor. The Forex Gold Investor also brought me allocation, but with the Sharpshooter I have received also a permanent allocation of $100,000, which I will talk about in more details in one of my next videos. So if you don't want to miss it, guys, you know what to do. Thank you. And what I'll do with the rest of the 50% of the capital I have, I would put them in a bigger 5K life account with the best performer, like the best strategy or the best EA I have so far. And actually those bigger life accounts are locked for our VIP members, but I want to show you one of them that is again with Eightcap, and it's trading the Happy Gold recovery EA. So this account I started with $5,000. You can see that I started on the 15th of November last year, and there are plenty of trades. Most hit the stop loss because there is a floating stop loss, but you can see that overall I have $953.75. And if I show you the track record, you will see that initially it went on a profit. It made above 10%, then there was a drawdown, but it's recovered, and since the beginning of the year or the end of January, so this drop happened in January this year, the Expert Advisor has been performing really steadily upwards, and it made nearly 20% in this live account. But it's an Expert Advisor. I've been trading a lot in the past, but the more you test one Expert Advisor, the more you learn how it is working, and you know what amount of money you can risk with it. And as part of my 100K project, I will keep diversifying my portfolio. I'll start the FX stabilizer on another $1,000 live account with Eightcap. I'll start the Happy Forex on iFunds account, and this Expert Advisor I have traded in the past, but now I think I found a better input, so I want to test those. And I'll be starting another Darwin X account with the Sharpshooter, where I have received the permanent allocation, but on a different currency pair, because we found out with my team that it backtested really well, not just on euro dollar, but on many different currency pairs, and I really want to see how it would perform in another Darwin X account. As always, guys, I thank you so much for watching today's video. If you want to learn more about the 3 Expert Advisor I think are most suitable for 2025, check out this video on my side. Until then, don't forget, I love you, trade safe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.